Good morning, student. Welcome to my online class. Today we'll read about SCF. SCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay. In here, what is highest common factor? Just about one thing. Suppose work on 20, 24. What is the highest common factor? First we have to find factors. Factor of 20, you will find 2 go means 10, 2 go means 5, 5 go means 1. And 24 means 2 go means 12, 2 go means 6, 2 go means 3, 3 go means 1. So, here we are writing 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 and 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factor of 20 and 24. So, in this prime factor, what is common? What is common between them? So, we see that 2 is here, in this 20 also 2, 24 also 2, another 2 is here also, same. But here 5 is there, but in here not there. Here 2 is there, here not there. 3 here there, here not there. So common between 2 are 2 times 2. 2 is common. 2 times 2 is common. So highest common factor SCF equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. That is equal to 4. Okay. So what is the use of our SCF in our day-to-day life? Suppose two friends going to temples, and one friend has 20 banana. Suppose Amit has 20 banana, and B for Vikas has 24 banana. Okay, Amit have 20 banana and Vikas have 24 banana, and both have to feed the elephant. Okay, one time maximum number of how many banana they can feed to the elephant. Okay, so how many time at a time, how many banana they can feed? Okay, maximum number of time. In here see, Vikas 4 time, 4 banana. Vikas they are feeding 4 banana. How many time Amit feed? 5 time. And Vikas how many time? 6 time. How? Because 4 into 5 equal to 20. If each time Amit feed 4 banana, then in 5 time it can complete 20 banana. And similarly, Vikas feed 4 time 4 banana each time, then how many time it will take? 4 6 is 24. 6 time. Understood? So, it is the use of our SCF. Okay. So, each time they have to feed 4 banana. Yes, each time they have to feed maximum 4 banana. So then, Amit can feed 20 banana in 5 times. Because 4 5 is 20. 4, 4, 4, 4. How many times you have to do? 5 times. Means 20 banana feed to the elephant. Similarly, Vikas also. Vikas 24 banana. Vikas have 24 banana. So each time 4 banana feed means how many time he will take 6 time to feed 24 banana, because 4 6 is 24. 4 time, 4 time, 4 banana, 4 banana, 4 banana. Like this you have to feed 6 times. So it will become 24 banana. Okay. So this is the use of our SCA. Another example I will give you. Suppose two friends, Amit and Vikas. Amit and Vikas. Amit had 20 chocolate, Vikas has 24 chocolate. Amit had 20 chocolate and Vikas has 24 chocolate. So how many students they can feed equally? Okay. So no remainder should be there. How many students they can feed? 20 and 24. Amit have 20 chocolate and Vikas have 24. They give equal number of students they will distribute so that no chocolate left with them. No doubt answer is 4 boys. If 4 persons are there, Amit give 5 chocolate to each, 4 5 they are 20, and Vikas can give 4 into 6, 24. Because 6 chocolate give means 4 students, 24 chocolate will be there. So this is the use of our SCF. Now let us come back to lessons. Exercise 7. We'll do exercise 7 here. Exercise 7. Page 105. Page 105. Number 1. How to do it? 80, 36. Perfect possibility. Find SCF using prime factor methods. Using prime factorization methods. Prime factorization methods. Okay, it is number 5. We have to do number 1, 18, 36. 18, 36. First find the prime factor of 18. 2 go means 9. 3 go, 2 not go, means 3. 3 go means 1. 36 find. 2 go means 18. Then one trick is there. Look it. 18 is here coming, but we are already doing it 18. Have you seen? We are already completed the prime factor of 18. Simply this one copy to here. 18, 2 go means 9, 3 go means 3, 3 go means 1. So, write prime factor. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 and 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So, here we find the common factor. 2 here, okay, you can do it here. 3 here, okay, we will make it pair, common, here 3, here 3. So, SCF equal, which is the number we are common finding? We are finding 2, 3, 3. So, 2 into 3 into 3. Clear? Or that is equal to 2, 3 are 6, 3 are 18. Your SCF you have to find in this way. Okay? Next, we will find other number. To 24, 20, 24, 20, 24. Already I have done earlier. Then number 3, 30, 36, 30, 36. Here also 30, quickly find the factor. 30, 15. Now 2 not go, 3 go 3, 5, 5. Like this, 36 you will find. 2 go means 18. Already you have done in number 1. 36. Not needed to do here, simply copy from there. 2 go means 9. 3 go means 3. 3 go means 1. So 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 and 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear? Now find the common factor. 2 here 1, and 2 here, but here not there. 3 here 1, okay. 5 here not there. 3 here not there. Only. So SCF equal to which is number we are answering. Okay. To find the common factor, look at here. Common factor 2 and 3. So SCF equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay. But how can we check this? Check. In LCM number also I told you about check. How can you check that whether you are complete or not? Look at in 6 table, 30 is there. In 6 table, 6 5 are 30, and in 6 table, 36 also there. So SCF equal to SCF means what? It is the highest table where both numbers are present. Clear? SCF means what? It is the highest table, big table. In this table, both numbers are present. Okay, so that is 6 table. Again, you big in 2 table there, and 3 table there, then 6 table there. But which is the highest table? 6 table. Okay, 6. Look at 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36. So that we know that our SCF is correct. Clear? Then we will go for number 4. 24 36. 24 36. Clear? 24. 2 go means 12. 2 go means 6. 2 go means 3. Again 3 go means 1. 36. 2 go means 18. 2 go means 9. Now 3 go means 3. 3 go means 1. So 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now check the common. 2 is here. Another 2 also here, there. But these two pair is not here. 3 is there, here. Okay. So SCF equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to 4, 3 is 12. Okay. But how do you know that our SCF is right? In 12 table tag, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36. Both numbers are present in 12 table. So we know that we are right. Okay. So try to do exercise 7 is your homework. Homework is what? Exercise 7. Okay. Thank you. Okay. We'll see you in next class. Clear?